Okay, punta tayo sa another goal na pwede natin pag-usapan. So tapos na tayo dun sa long-term savings. Next naman yung income protection or income replacement, which is life insurance. Right? Anong product yung maganda na meron tayo sa AIA? It's called AIA Max Protect. It's our best protection product right now. It's a participating whole life plan. So whole life siya, hindi siya VUL, guaranteed yung paying period niya. Alright? 200% yung life insurance coverage. Non-guaranteed dividends, meron din siya na pwede kang, habang insured ka, meron kang makukuhang or potential may maipon through dividends. And then you have the freedom to attach riders or not. Pwedeng basic na insurance lang, pwedeng may mga riders. Again, guaranteed yung paying period, pwedeng 5 years to pay lang, pwedeng 10 years to pay, or pay up to age 65. Kahit long-term yung payment, para kang nag-term insurance, pero up to age 100 ka covered. Tapos fixed yung premium. Yun yung maganda rito compared to the term insurance. No? So kung believer ka ng BTID or the buy term invest the difference, instead na mag-term insurance ka, mag-max protect ka. So gumawa ako ng quick quote for the 500,000 face amount, 1 million yung insurance. Alright, so tignan mo, sa 5 years to pay, at age 25, 63,705 lang. O ang total premium niya, 318,525 lang siya. Yun ang total na binayad mo, insured ka ng 1 million. So nabili mo siya at almost 70% discount. Kapag 10 years to pay, almost ganun din. 32,565 lang yung annual, 325,000 lang yung total nun in 10 years. 1 million na rin ang coverage mo. Kung age 35, 83,200 pesos yung 5 years, 416,000 yung total premium, which is about almost 60% discount mo na bili yung pera na ipapamana mo. Kung 10 years to pay, 42,400 lang, which is just, 424,000, almost the same. Nung 416,000, 8,000 lang diferensya. So parang dun ka na sa 10 years, di ba? Ayan. So, age 45 naman, 107,680 yung 5 years to pay. 538,000 total premium, which is almost half, more than a little over half lang nung naibayad mo. Sa 10 years to pay, 54,250 is very affordable pa rin. 542,000 lang total cash out, 1 million in insurance. Even age 55, super sulit pa rin, 138,260, 691,000 lang yung total premium, which is about 30% discount. Ganon din sa age, sa 10 years to pay ng age 55, 73,905 lang, 739,000 yung total premium. And look at this, even age 65, 167,020 yung premium, 5 years to pay, 835,000 lang. So kung magpapamana ka na, may mga yung parents mo, maybe lolo, na gusto na magpamana, you have good money, gusto magpamana, alam mo, gastusin mo na yung 17%. No? Makaka-discount ka ng 17% eh. Kung magpapamana ka ng 1 million, kaysa 1 million yung ibigay mo sa apo mo or sa anak mo, 835,000 na lang. Ilipat mo unti-unti with AIA. So that's how life insurance works. Tinignan ko rin yung pay up to age 65, yung murang variant niya. Kung age 25 ka, 11,610 lang siya a year. Less than 1,000 a month, insured ka na ng 1 million pesos. Sobrang sulit. Pag age 35, 17,000 lang siya. Less than 1,500 a month, insured ka na rin up to age 100 ng 1 million. Age 45, 31,295, less than 3,000 a month, insured ka na rin ng 1 million. Hindi na siya allowed for age 55 and 65 kasi hanggang age 50 lang pa pwedeng bumili ng pay up to age 65. Alright? Itong plan na to, pwede rin ito maglagay ng maraming riders. May 8 riders na pwedeng ilagay sa Max Protect. Pwede rin wala, katulad ng sample ko kanina. So pwede kang maglagay ng critical illness rider, medical benefit rider, hospital income benefit rider, yung merong yung merong kang daily income from hospitalization in case ma-hospitalize. Medical benefit rider, yung meron kang health card for confinement purposes. Total and permanent disability, in case of total and permanent disability, may makukuha ang pera. Personal accident insurance, in case of accidental death, may makukuha ang additional. Alright? Enhanced waiver premium in case of total and permanent disability or critical illness, covered critical illness, ma-waive yung premium. Payers benefit on death and disability in case iba yung owner kay insured, namatay yung owner. So, ma-waive na yung premium for some cases who are applicable. And then, of course, payers term benefit, no, insurance ng payor. No? So, pwedeng dito ko na rin bumili. So, tinignan ko, pwede kang maglagay, let's say, kung gusto mo puro health coverages, so age 35 na pay up to age 65, may 1 million life insurance ka, may 500,000 critical illness coverage, 3,000 hospital income benefit in case of every night of confinement, and then 500,000 na medical benefit rider, yung health card mo. 37,635.42 lang per year. Nag-i-increase ng konti because of the health card part. Alright? Kung naman pure insurance lang, tapos mga riders na mura yung ilalagay mo, 1 million life insurance, 500,000 total and permanent disability, 500,000 personal accident insurance, and then the waiver of premium. Ilagay mo lahat yun for a 35-year-old male, pay up to age 65, 19,387.77 lang, which is super mura niya. And then, kung naghahanap ka ng insurance para sa bata, let's say a 4-year-old male, pay up to age 65, 7,370 lang a year. A year yan, ha? No, parang less than 700 pesos a month, 600 pesos a month, ganyan. Insured na yung anak mo. Although mahaba-haba, no, pay up to age 65, pero siguro naman, kaya niyang bayaran yan forever. Diba? So, super mura niyang mga plans na yan. So, si Max Protect din, meron din yung potential to earn dividends. Pero not guaranteed. So, bonus na lang yun. Bonus na lang yun. No? Pag mag-earn ng dividends yung plan mo, sa binabayad mo, so meron ka pang pwedeng ma-withdraw maybe after 10 years, 20 years, no, as the owner of the policy.